Control system. Video 1. Control system. It is an arrangement of different physical elements connected in such a manner so as to regulate, direct, or command itself to achieve a certain objective is called control system. Here, this is the control system where we provide input and where we are getting output. Next is difference between system and control system. This is the system, here input and the output. But in control system, the control system we are giving input and here output. Difference between system and control system. An example, fan. Here we are giving input AC supply. The fan, this is the system is fan, and the output is air flowing. A fan can't say system. A fan without blades cannot be a system because it can't provide a desired or proper output, that is airflow. This is a So we can say the fan is a system. Here we are giving input but there is no blade is present, and here it is output. So no proper desired output is present. So this is we can say that this is not a system. Next is a fan can be a system. A fan with blades but without regulator can be a system because it can provide a proper output, that is air flow. But it cannot be a control system because it cannot provide desired output, that is controlled airflow. See, here we are providing input, the system is present, and the output, that is air, is flowing. So we can say that a fan is a system. Next, a fan can be a control system. A fan with blades and with regulator can be a control system because it can provide a desired output, that is controlled airflow. Input, this is the control element, fan, and the output, that is controlled airflow.